TCL HomeSecurity Pro Smart Lock, making sure your safe space always stays that way. Our advanced AI motion detection is like having a silent guardian, always alert. It doesn't just see movement, it understands it, protecting your home and family, giving you a head start when you need it most. You are always in control. With just a tap on your phone, you can access crystal clear live footage from anywhere. You won't miss a single detail, ensuring your home is protected around the clock. 24/7. When your kids get home from school, you'll get a friendly notification. This intelligent feature drastically reduces unnecessary alerts. So when you do get a notification, you know it's something you need to see. This is security that's not just smart, but considerate. It keeps your peace of mind high and your stress low. TCL HomeSecurity isn't just a product, it's a promise. Smart, reliable, always watching over you. Stay safe.